So where do you start when detailing a car? Well, so you're going to need to assemble some of these products, right? Here we have the total interior. This is a cleaner that, I mean, basically just does as the name implies. It cleans your total interior, right? This is something that's specially formulated by chemical guys. You don't want to just use regular old house detergent or any other soap. You want to get something that is formulated for your car so that it protects your dash, glass, everything you see on here. Something that's specifically formatted for your car will go a long way. Same with this. This is called Speed Wipe. This is for all the glossy parts of your car, so particularly the any paint and whatnot I would use on this. Like if you have some junk in the door jambs, Speed Wipe is the way to go. And for when you want to tackle the glass, you want to use a glass cleaner that is ammonia-free. Ammonia-free will give you the best, cleanest shine on any tinted windows, like most cars have tinted windows, right? And you want to also have your own dedicated rag for all these products. You can mix these two, it really doesn't matter. But especially for your glass cleaner, otherwise it'll streak. And when the job is all finished, I like to pop in a nice little air freshener. Okay, now here's a look at the inside of the car. As you can see, this is just a daily driver, just basically whatever has accumulated through, I'd say this is about 2 weeks worth of driving. Sometimes you just got to throw the water bottles in the back and keep on moving. Now, step number 1 is going to be to remove all large items of trash. We're talking water bottles, food cartons, granola bars, fast food cups as well. Just everything that's big that cannot be sucked up by a vacuum. That's what you want to get out of the car first. Alrighty, once all that large trash is out of your way, you can start wiping down. You want to start with the doors and work your way eventually to the door jambs. Here's a nice little time lapse of myself kind of cleaning up the whole interior here. You want to make sure you pay close attention to the glass, any flat surfaces that collect dust, your cup holders, just any and everything. This is a look at the dashboard as well. That tends to accumulate a lot of dust. Same with these little holders too, these little areas that kind of collect crumbage and whatnot. Make sure you wipe all that down and make sure it lands on the carpet because we're going to come back through and vacuum that up a little later on. Make sure to pay close attention to that chrome. Always make sure to polish it up nicely. Here's where we're going to use that Speed Wipe. This you just spray on and wipe off on any of those glossy car parts that are painted. Next up is glass cleaner. This is pretty self-explanatory here. You just want to spray some on the rag and go ahead and wipe it down. Now the final step is to bust out the vacuum. Here's a quick look at the before and after. Once again, the complete mess beforehand and afterwards. Now the last and final step I like to do is hang up a nice little air freshener, just to kind of get out of the way from my nice hanging fuzzy dice there. I like to hang it up right underneath the sun visor, kind of clip it in there. There you have it. Thanks for watching.